Hey folks, Mr. Dell here. We are looking at a percent problem, application of taking percent off of something. So this is coming from CPM's course 2, and this is section 7.1.8, number 7-92. It says the electronics department is having a no sales tax sale. So no sales tax sale. I think basically you don't have to pay sales tax for that sale is what that's saying. So in addition, all of the items in the department are on sale for 25% off. So not only do you not have to pay sales tax, but you also save 25%. Wyatt is looking at a music player that normally costs $120. He has $95 to spend, and he is wondering if he has enough money to buy it. So let's take a look at what we got. Wyatt sketched the diagram at the right. So here's his diagram. Use the work he started to find 25% of 120. Is this price the price he will pay? So if I think about what I'm dealing with, and I'm trying to figure out what that 25% is, right? 25% of 100 is a fourth of it, right? So if I can continue cutting this up, that would be half. So if we think about this direction this way, that's 25%, that's 50%, right? And that would be 75%. And together, that's 25%, correct? And that's how much he's saving. So if I cut the diagram by force on the bottom in the percent category, I'm also going to cut the diagram by force on the top. So I just think about what is 120 divided by 4. 120 divided by 4 is 30. So that means this is $30, okay, then $60, then $90, and then $120, right? So what is X? In this case, my X is that space is 30. So that X is $30, right? So we would say that 25% of 120 is equal to $30. So is this the price he will pay? No. So he's not, no, right? He's not going to pay that. That's $30 off. So what he's going to pay, well, we take 120 minus 30, and it's going to be $90. So he's going to pay $90 pay, right? So does he have enough money? He says he has 95 in the beginning, right? So he does, yes. He has enough. Okay. Would you have enough money if he had to pay 5.5 sales tax on the sale price? So that means we're going to take $90 plus 5.5% of $90. That's what I got to figure out. Oops. There we go. It was off the screen there. Would he have enough money if he had to pay 5.5% sales tax? So it's the 90 plus the 5.5% of 90 is what we need to figure out. So how do I do that? Well, remember that in order to take a percent of something, you could do a diagram like we just did, or we can use our multiplier, right? We know that 5, and I'll write it over here, 5.5% as a multiplier is 0. We move the decimal twice, 0.055. So I'm going to figure out what is 0.055. I'm going to multiply that times 90, and that's going to be my how much extra. That's going to be the sales tax. So that represents the sales tax. Okay. So we'll do that math. You can do it on the side. I'm going to quickly just do it on a calculator so I can just continue the question here. Times 90. So it would be, that's equal to $4.95. So $4.95. So that's the sales tax. Sales tax is $4.95. So to find the total cost then, so the total now is going to be equal to 90 plus $4.95, which is $94.95. So does he still have enough? Well, he came in with $95, right? He has 95 to spend. 94.95 is less than 95. So yes, so he still has enough. Okay. All right, there we go.